In today's video, I am going to teach you how to share Wix website with group members. Start by opening your main Wix dashboard. This is the control center where you manage your site, its content, and any connected features, including your groups. Once you are on the dashboard, look to the left side of the screen. You will see the vertical navigation menu there. Scroll down if needed, then click on Groups. After that, find the specific group you want to share with more people. Wix will display your available groups as cards or rows depending on your layout. Click on the name of the group you want to work with so you can open its management area. When the group opens, go to the tab near the top labeled Members. This section is where you manage who has access to the group. It is also where you can invite new people or add current users who are already connected to your site. On the right side of the Members area, click the button that says Add Members. This opens the sharing options for that group. At this point, Wix gives you a few different ways to bring people in, so you can choose the method that best matches how you want to invite them. One option is to copy a shareable link. This creates a direct invitation link that you can paste into a chat, message, or any external communication you are using. This is helpful if you want a quick way to send access without entering people manually inside Wix. Another option is to send email invites. If you choose this, Wix opens a field where you can enter the email addresses of the people you want to invite. Wix will then send the invitation link directly for you. This can be useful if you want a more direct and organized invitation process. You also have the option to add existing site members. This is especially convenient if the people you want to include are already registered on your website. Wix will show a selection list, and from there you can manually choose one or more members to add in bulk. This saves time and keeps everything inside your current member system. Choose the sharing method that works best for your situation, then complete the invite or member selection. Once that is done, your group is ready to be shared with the right people. That covers everything you need to know.